Thank you, Dr. Toby, for meeting with me today on getting to know your doctor. I know you're not an official veterinarian. You want to explain what you do here?
Sure. I take care of the animals, cats that come in the office that have spinal issues, health issues that maybe could not bypass maybe from surgery, or maybe the patient doesn't want to just give a bunch of medication to their animals. And so my job is to basically, on a spinal level, to help them with their spine stay as mobile as it possibly can, give them a fighting chance to be healthier, diminish the pain, and just help them live a happier life.
Great, great. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal? So in real life, it's a dog, of course. We have a Labradoodle, his name's Ted. He is our favorite. We love him to death. He's 3 years old. He's the best thing we could have ever done for our family. In the not real world, maybe virtual world, an elephant. My wife loves elephants. They're family. They love each other. They're caring. And so there's something about an elephant that I just endear a lot.
Okay. What is your favorite childhood memory?
Childhood memory came from a dairy farm. And my dad would buy these things called cotton seeds, and they're just like little seeds. They almost look like dried up kidney beans, but they were just coated with white cotton, and I'm sure it was healthy for the cows, great nutrition value, whatever. I didn't know that stuff as a kid. I just knew that stuff was fun to play in, and we had big barns full of this stuff, and me and my siblings would go make forts out of it. We'd have ropes hanging down that we would just swing from. We'd get cotton all over our clothes. I'm sure Mom hated us for it, but it was so much fun. So that's probably one of the fondest memories as a child that I had. That was just really fun.
Okay, okay. What is your favorite pastime?
Oh my gosh, I am a cyclist. I love biking. I mean, it's my happy place. It's where I can just disappear. It's painfully fun for me. I like my legs to be on fire where they hurt, but it just feels good to me, and I can just disconnect. It gets me endorphins high. It makes me super happy. I always come back in a better mood. So cycling is by far my favorite pastime.
Okay, okay. What is one embarrassing thing about you?
Okay. So I don't know if it's about me too. So I obviously take care of people as well in my practice. And when I first started practice almost 20 years ago, I remember it's happened a few times since then, but the first time was very embarrassing. I had somebody on their back, I was adjusting them, and I was twisting them, and of course it creates lots of pressure. Pressure creates release of gas sometimes, and so the very first time I got passed gas on was super embarrassing in my practice. I did not know how to respond to it. I was red. I'm probably red right now. They were red. It was super duper embarrassing. I'll never forget it. Has it happened since? Sure, it has. But now I've learned to cope. So yes, embarrassing.
Yeah, that
nailed it.
Yes, yes, you did.
Okay, that's it. Done.
Tell us something funny about yourself we don't know yet.
Nobody even knows this really, because it's very recent. Christmas time, I'll say this, we got a Roomba. It was little, and we named him Fred. So I have a Ted that's a dog, and I have a Fred that's a Roomba, and I've kind of taken ownership of this little guy. He's like a family member. I get notification that says Fred is stuck, and I'm worried, and I text my family, hey, find Fred. He's stuck somewhere. We gotta make sure he's happy. So that's something new, interesting that nobody knows, that I have a Roomba named Fred, and I need to cut the umbilical cord. I just need to let him do his thing and grow up a little bit. But anyway, that's something nobody really knows about, except for now.
Well, that's great. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
All right, well, this is what you get, and I love it here, and it's awesome.
Great, thank you.
You bet.